So here we have our Orks via Space Marines. This is a pretty small board and we're just going to do elimination. Everyone's going to have to kill everybody. And so let's start with Space Marines and I'll show you everybody. This is our kind of a scout squad. They're at the edge. Here's my unique unit. Well, not unique. Well, yes, unique. Here's my dreadnought. And here's my main assault squad. And here's my defensive squad behind this wall. And here are the orks. They have these two menacing looking squads. They're both offensive basically. And these Defcoptas. And back here they have ork knobs and the leader, the ork war boss. They're kind of being defensive. And that's it, so let's get started. So here the Space Marines move their dreadnought, their scout squad, and a little bit of their assault squad. And over here we have this squad moving out from behind the wall. These Defcoptas move. The unique unit, I guess I should call him, came out over there, and he's behind cover from basically everybody. Over here these orks all kind of moved, and the defensive orks are staying behind the wall. So most of the first ork squad have been obliterated. The Defcoptas shot and nothing happened. These guys are just sitting here. So next turn, I guess. Okay, my assault squad moved over to here. These guys moved over here and opened fire, but nothing happened. There's the assault squad. These guys went into close combat, the scout squad with these orks, the remaining orks. These guys are coming out realizing that it's time to attack because the other units have been basically destroyed. The ork war boss and the dreadnought are now in close combat. And a couple guys died here and there, but not many Space Marines. The Defcoptas all died and my unique unit died. So there goes that. Next turn. Okay, over here, as you can see, everybody basically went into assaulting this one ork unit, which is pretty much dead by now. There's only a couple guys, which pretty much means that the Space Marines are probably going to win this. These guys on the next turn, they're going to be able to move over onto those Space Marines. There's just a little less than 6 inches there, so these guys are still attacking, nothing's happened. A couple guys died from here and there, but not many. A couple of Space Marines. So, next turn. Okay, so here, not that much is happening. These guys are still attacking, nothing happened. This guy, well, he's not really a unit anymore. He just broke off from here after failing a morale test. So, he's going off that way. These guys, the ork knobs just came in and started attacking. A couple of that one ork unit died, and not that many. 2 or 3 Space Marines died. These Terminators are moving in, and the rest of this assault squad. So next turn. Okay, over here. These guys are still fighting. The one guy, well, unit, passed the morale test and started attacking the ork war boss. These guys are running off now after failing the morale test. There's only 1 or 2 guys left in each squad. Nothing much else is happening. And so this is probably the end. Next turn. Over here, an ork noob passed the morale check and died over here. The other orks also passed, and they came over to this dreadnought, which they're attacking, and nothing's happening, but the ork war boss lost a couple points. He's got 1 point left. Over here, these guys are thinking about opening fire on those orks. So, next turn. So these Terminators are now moving around from here, or they're going to plan on going around the wall and attacking the ork war boss. These Space Marines over here decided to stay. And over there the assault is still going on, but not that much anymore. A couple orks died. This missile launcher launched a missile over at those orks and missed completely. He hit around here and killed 3 Space Marines, 1 Terminator and 2 Space Marines. And not much else is happening except some orks died from the assault. And so next turn. Over here, Space Marines joined the assault. A couple orks died. Well, all the orks and the ork war boss died, making it the end of the game. So the orks were completely eliminated. So big hoot for Space Marine lovers! Yay! Okay, so end of the game. Here's the dead guys.